In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate the mode. So the first thing I need is a set of numbers. So I have 2, 8, 5, 12, 3, 10, 5, and 7. Now as a rule of thumb, normally I organize my data from least to greatest, and this is just a simple way of keeping it organized so it's really easy to find my values. When you hear mode, I want you to think mode sounds like most. And so here, I'm looking for the number that appears the most often. And you'll see that every number appears once except 5. 5 appears twice. And since it appears the most often, 5 would be my mode. But consider the second set of numbers, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, and 12. In this case, no number appears more often than another number, and in that case, we're going to say there's no mode. Now finally consider this third set of numbers, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, 8, 10, 10. Well, now you can see we have 2 5s and we have 2 10s. In this case, we have multiple modes. The mode will be 5 and 10. As a rule of thumb, you can either have one mode, no mode, or multiple modes, all depending on which numbers appear the most frequent.